This is the best gift idea, you guys. This is a sushi making kit. It has molds. You can make spam musubi. You can make heart-shaped sushi. And check out, look at how many accessories it comes with. It has a nice cutting device for the spam. You can make so much with this kit. It's so easy. It's good for beginners. It's also a good way to teach your kids how to make sushi. Here we're gonna make heart-shaped sushi. You can see us putting in the seaweed wrap and the rice. And you can literally put in any ingredients. We're gonna put rice, and we have cooked crab, avocado, but you can do raw fish. You can do pretty much anything. It makes it so easy. The molds are nice quality. They're heavy duty plastic, and it comes with molds for hearts, molds for round sushi, square shaped or triangular shaped, and more. Easy to clean when you're done. A few pro tips and tricks is you wanna make sure you squash down the seaweed really tight. The tighter it is around the food, the easier it is to cut. You can see us topping it off here with teriyaki soy sauce. Oh, they're so delicious. And once we wrap it with this seaweed wrap, we want to make sure it's really tight. Push down the plastic top mold. And when we get a nice tight roll, then it makes it easy to cut. You want to make sure your knife is not dull. We sharpened it really well right before we used it because we want to make sure that we can just slice right in to get that perfect cut. So you can see the notches in the plastic, so it makes it evenly sized, perfect bite-sized traditional sushi roll. Another pro tip is we got the knife kind of wet. So you want to make sure the sushi seaweed is a little bit wet. If it's dry, it'll crack. If the knife is wet, it'll just cut right through. So let's see. We're going to pull out the mold and see how we did. Oh my gosh, look at that. Adorable, perfectly shaped sushi rolls. They look really nice. They present well. They taste delicious and really easy to make. They just plop down, as you can see, nice and easy. These would be also great to make for if you're hosting a party. It does come with chopsticks. And now we're going to take a bite and enjoy.